It is good.
I'm not a black cherry fan, but this is really good.
All right, bon appetit. Tastes like seltzer.
No.
It does have that beer flavor to it, though.
Yeah.
Yep. Tastes the woody notes. It's not too fizzy at all. Actually, quite good. I don't like a lot of fizz.
Yeah, it's not too bubbly. No, it's pretty good. Nice.
Yeah.
Dark roast with coffee. Let's see. Very good. Very beer. Coffee.
Like coffee.
Yeah, it's got those strong coffee notes. A little bit of vanilla. Tastes very good.
Definitely tastes like coffee.
Yeah.
It's pretty thick.
It's kind of like a stout.
Yes. It's kind of thick like a Guinness, you know?
Nice.
Pretty good though. I think you'd like it too.
All right, let's go. Wow. Okay. I do taste the coffee, just like you both mentioned. That is actually really good. It actually tastes like alcohol.
Does it taste like a Guinness to you?
It tastes a little bit like a Guinness.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not sure if I like IPAs, but we'll find out.